before starting this video, guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to your boy. Let's hit 20K and let's get this video started, guys. What's going on, guys? My name is Steven Ocasio, for the new subscribers. And behind me is my B16 eBay Turbo. Basically, I'm doing this video because I've done this video probably once. Yeah, I think I've done it once. And I keep getting a request. A lot of people keep asking me to do a rundown of what I have in my car, what's in the motor in the car. And so basically I'm gonna give you guys a full run around on the car. It's a 300 horsepower Civic B16A eBay Turbo. So basically gonna give you guys a walk around, let you guys know what I have under my hood, and I guess like stuff inside my car, wheels and stuff like that. Give you guys just a full walk around because a lot of people have a lot of new subscribers that watch my video and want to know more about the car. So I'm gonna give you guys a brief walk around. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around on the whole car. Let's get to it, guys. So, don't mind the car either. The car is clean, but it just started raining, so it literally just got wet. I wiped it down, then it started raining again, and there's like water coming on the street. But let's start off with, I guess, the outside. So, this is a 98 EK Coupe. This is a 98 EK Coupe with a 2000 front. I had a 98 front, as you guys saw in the video, but I like the 2000 front better, so went with the 2000 front. Have a crystal clear headlights. These wheels are F1R wheels. These are F1R wheels. I'm not too sure. I don't really remember the name of them, but I just like how they look, so I went with these wheels. As for piping, I just have regular eBay piping with a CX Racing intercooler. This was about like 100 and something, maybe almost close to 200 bucks for all of that. I'm running a regular eBay radiator. About 60 bucks or whatever. About 60 bucks for a regular eBay radiator. I never saw the reason to go with like Blackworks one, which they don't actually make anymore. But yeah, didn't really find the reason. These have always been good to me and never let me down. Here I have the famous Hennessy white bottle that everybody loves. Basically I just got like a little bracket mounted with some zip ties. You know, Honda guys, we love the zip ties. Just drill the hole in the cap, and voila, you have yourself antifreeze reservoir bottle. I have a Moroso breather can right here. I just have one because I was running the ram horn headers before, so the headers went too close to this, so I just ran one. So far so good. I don't really think I need another one, but so far so good with that. Manifold. So this is a custom fab manifold. I'm not too sure what name brand it is, but I know it's really high quality manifold. My boy Andrew gave this to me, so I've been running it for about, say, like 2 months, and it's like literally the best thing ever. I had a regular like eBay ram horn. They lasted me a long time. They usually just cracks. I just re-welded it, but I still have the ram horn in the house. But my friend had this one, so he gave me this one, and this is a custom fab short ram manifold. As you guys can see, like the material in this is like legit. This is like a real manifold. It's just a custom fab. No name brand, but it's a custom fab manifold. It does a great job. It's literally amazing. I have the same thing, Emusa wastegate on the car. And for those of you who've seen the video, so basically this is a carbon fiber, as you guys can hear. It's carbon fiber. It's painted because they got ruined when I went to Florida. About last year when I went to Florida, it got ruined. I took the car in my backyard. I put the car cover on. The car cover was wet. It was about 90 degrees one day in New York. So literally the water went through. The water stood underneath the car cover, and it cooked the clear all the way to the bottom of the carbon fiber on the trunk and the hood. So that literally ruined my entire carbon fiber. So I was really pissed because literally it was not even that old. So eventually I'm gonna get the carbon fiber again, but when I get like an indoor garage, not right now because it's too hard to maintain and it starts getting faded. So later on in the road, I'll end up getting a carbon fiber again. So For everything else, I am running a Type R manifold, Golden Eagle fuel rail with 1000cc Bosch injectors. The car is tuned by Yo Solo down at Top Secret. Shout out to my dudes over there for taking care of me. I have a 70mm Skunk 2 throttle body with a 4-bar Honda map sensor, and I have Mishimoto clamps. Everything else here is pretty, pretty stock here. I'm running these eBay motor mounts. I've got them years ago and literally have no issues with them at all. I haven't got like any hash ports or anything like that because literally no problem at all with these, so I don't have a reason to change them. But yeah, and I'm also running a AEM fuel rail regulator on the top. Also, if you guys didn't know, I am running my side exhaust to the bumper. I did this probably like about a year ago, as you guys can see. Give you guys light, routes to there. Through here, yes, I am going to cut it. I'm going to get it cut like sideways and get like a flare or something like that. Just haven't had any time to really go ahead and do it. I have to bring it to my friend. I don't know exactly how he's going to charge me. I also have to take this piping to get take off those couplers and get it welded into one pipe. As for the paint, everybody keeps asking me what color this is. A lot of people like the color, and right now it's dark, so you can't really see with the camera now because it's the camera looks pretty dark. But it's right now it's plum purple, but it goes to a real pearl purple, so it shifts colors. It goes from a light purple to a plum purple. Right now it's dark, so you can't really see it. Wish I had light so I can show you guys a little bit more, but you guys get it. It turns into that color right there when the sun hits it. So it's literally a beautiful color. Everybody that has seen this car in person knows how good the color looks. It's a really different color. I went with this color because I wanted something different. And for those of you who don't know, the car was silver before. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it. So I ended up painting this car probably like a year ago. It's painted inside and out. It's done legit the right way. So it's painted around here. It's painted on the sunroof. It's painted on there. It's painted on the trunk. So it's all legit. I love this color. If you guys ever see this car in person, you guys will be able to see the color that I'm talking about. But if you guys go back to my videos, you guys will be able to see the color perfectly in those videos. On the side, I have some faded Recaros that when I was turboing this car, about maybe like 4 years ago. I never opened up the doors. I didn't need to open up the doors. I was just working underneath the hood. I never put a car cover on it. The sun was literally cooking the seats. I didn't realize I didn't open the door for about a month. So the seats got faded. I'm not gonna buy another seats. I like how they look a little faded. So there you go, some faded Recaro seats. Don't mind no list. I was just wiping down the car a little bit. I also wrapped this in Recaro, wrapped the middle in Recaro, got this in Recaro, and wrapped that side in Recaro also. I think it gives the car a really good look for the inside. I'm running a quick release. Well, I'm running an steering wheel with a Energy quick release and short hub, AM AFR gauge, odometer, phantom boost gauge over here. You guys can see. And I'm running a stock clutch with a SI RPM gauge. My friend Andrew also gave me that because I just needed the RPM because this car revs out at around 87 around there. So on the stock cluster, literally was like passing 8, and it sucks because I can't really see. So he gave me that. I'm gonna get an SI cluster. Don't worry about it, guys. One of my other friends has the other 2 pieces, so I'm gonna take that from him and put it together. And I'm running a K-Tune version. I think this is the last version they made. No, actually this is the second version, I think, because the new ones they made have like a different ball on the bottom. I literally love this shifter. It's like so smooth. I have a spoon shift knob. This thing, great combo. Short shifts are perfect. It's real notchy. Love this thing. Went from a stock one to this one, so you literally can feel the difference right away when you put that on. And I think that's about it for the ends for the interior, regular back stock seats. I have the pusher start. A lot of people saying why did I do the pusher start. I just wanted it to do it to be different. Yes, I have to put the key in the ignition. A lot of cars you have to put the key in the ignition also and push the push start. So if you guys didn't know that, yes, you still have to do that in a lot of new cars also. The rims are wrapped in a Nitto NT 450, I believe. One of my favorite tires, with treadwear tire letters. Shout out to treadwear for the sponsorship on the car. If you guys are looking for some letters, you can literally put, I believe it's Slowy K, and it gives you, I think, 10% off. It gives you 10% off your next order. So if you guys want some letters, go and get that. Save yourself some money. And I'm running some regular like tinted tail lights. I like how they look, not too bad. Downstar bolts on the license plate. Everything everything underneath here, black works. Rest in peace, these guys don't exist anymore, so I didn't want to get rid of it. I've messed up the bushings on these before. All I did was just buy some bushings on eBay, replaced it, and I'm good to go. I won't be getting rid of this because these are not going to be coming by anymore. They don't make them. If you guys don't know, black works doesn't exist anymore. So I just felt like it was pretty cool to just, you know, save this and keep it for a long time since they don't make them anymore. I'm going to get Skunk 2 suspension soon, but I just not too sure if I'm really ready to get rid of these yet, because these have a wonderful and comfortable ride. If you guys have teens, you guys know how smooth they ride. They're stiff and they're smooth, so it's like literally like best of both worlds. And these are like one of my favorite suspension because it's literally rides so smooth. I don't have to like worry about, you know, the hopping from the stiff suspension. When you have stiff suspension, anything you hit, the car literally just starts like jumping, and that's super annoying. You guys, also, this is the carbon fiber trunk, Sabon trunk and hood. I'm not too sure what brand this is, but this is also carbon fiber. And running a 255 war barrel inside the car. So literally this is my whole setup. I'm not too sure if I missed anything else, but yeah, so you guys can literally run the same exact setup on your car. But yeah guys, so here she is. If I missed anything, please let me know. I think I covered everything on this car. I just came here to take pictures. I've taken pictures here before. But yeah guys, so basically this is my 300 horsepower B16. You guys have the same exact thing. Basically a simple setup, nothing too crazy. Soon, like I said, this car will be getting built, so I'm not really in a rush right now. But yeah man, this is my baby. 7 years of owning her. A lot more to come. Thank you guys for all watching, all the new subscribers, everything. I have a lot more content coming. A lot more stuff for this coming. Shows, street races. I'm gonna be going to like a couple street races around here. Yeah, but this is her. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video informed all you guys of what I'm running in the car. It's a little expensive, but if you take your time, gather parts, anybody can do it. If I could do it, you guys can do it. It's an expensive hobby. Doing all this is expensive. Like just the carbon fiber alone was like around 1,500 for the carbon fiber. Turbo is cheap, yes, but everything else, all the other components, is expensive. I'm running a Honda also 300, a Honda S300 Bluetooth, which is like another $500. Moroso oil pan, which is like another $180. You gotta get the feed lines and all of that stuff. Sandwich plate. But if I could do it, you guys can do it. So thank you guys again for watching. Remember, smash that like button. It does a lot for my channel, like I told you guys before. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Build to enjoy. Peace out, guys.
Yo, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.